Hey, it's Orlando from OWDPT.com. I'm out here with Rick Slable. He's got an interesting story. He's out here on the slopes. And tell me a little about it. He's got a knee replacement, but I let him tell the story.
Total knee replacement 8 months ago, broken leg while he was doing my surgery. Here I am snowmobiling today, skiing tomorrow, feeling great. Great physical therapist.
Man, let me tell you, man, if you guys do it right, you'll come out on top, all right? Hey,
No
you want to
doubt.
be out here and doing good things? Man, you find yourself a good physical therapist. It don't got to be me, but he's got to be great. So if you're going to be great, come to a great therapist. And
It could be him.
it could be me. Okay. All right.